everyone, this is Julie with Keeping It Real with Randy and Julie. Today we're going to take our storage building that we were using and turn it into a workshop for all of our wood shop needs and stuff that we do, our shutters and barn doors and all that good stuff. So you will see how just a regular storage building, it's really cute. It's a Dirksen that we got, and most of our house is gray with red, so we got the shed to match that. They can do just about any color and stuff like that. So anyway, we're going to continue working on this today and show you the end results. Tristan has a work table. We're going to cut the legs because it's a little bit too tall, so we're going to cut that back some and make it where it's level. We got the table moved in. Kristen's gonna put a new top on because it was outside and it got warped, so we're gonna put a new top on that one. But the frame and everything's built. He's gonna hang up the light. So it's looking a little bit better. Got some stuff over here, got some stuff that's cleaned off and everything. And then it's terrible because you gotta work outside because you're trying to build a shop. So everything has to be moved outside and work outside. But it's a pretty day, it's a cool day. Nice view of everything. So that's what we're doing today. So you measuring for that top? Which is that plywood right there?
No, the plywood is actually fits the exact dimensions of this top.
Oh.
But what I'm doing is cutting off relatively about 10 inches. So that way I can have 2 feet of space on this side. Now I'm going to run my cutting table going this way.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's cool. Can't wait to see what is it gonna look like. How do you like your little shop?
I like it when it's done.
It'll be cuter than a storage building. And then we'll get everything, get some electricity run and everything, see where we need the plugs. Looking good, looking good. I'm glad it's a cool day today.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, it's looking more like a shop. He has his table over here built, and what is this table called? The cutting table. So we've got that, got the light hung. So everything's starting to look really, really good. You don't see all that? about 3 hours later, and we have come this far, or Tristan has come this far. He got that one built for his boards to be cut, and that's his work table. And then he got all his cedar stacked so he can start making shutters and barn doors and everything. Still got a little bit to go, sweeping, putting up the tools, and getting everything in order. But everything looks really great. It's coming along perfect. So you can take a storage shed, and if you're not using it anymore, then turn it into a shop. Hey everyone, this is Julie. I know we've been working on the shed to shop, and we got that pretty much completed. Randy's been working on his man cave grill. What would you call it, Randy?
Outdoor kitchen.
Outdoor kitchen. Show everybody around. I'll follow you and you tell me what's going on.
Well, my son had all his work gear stored here, so I finally got my area back. So, come on in. Here we are. This is a flat top grill.
Hibachi.
Hibachi style grill. This is my pride and joy, my pit boss. We got a gas grill, a charcoal grill, got a smoker oven down here. And this is my pepper grill over here. I think y'all seen that before. This is my enchilada.
You got the little grill master, the star, and we have lights all the way around. We have a fan. Then we have a little table that we set at and eat. And over there, that's a smoker.
That's an electric smoker that barely ever gets used anymore.
And that's a fish fryer. So, yeah. So this is it. Do you like it?
I love it. This is my go-to place.
Okay, let's go check on our son. He's been working all day on the shed to shop, and we've been showing y'all little by little, so let's see. Excuse the mess we have going here. We've been cleaning a lot today. Tristan? I think he's in there working. Let's open the door. Tristan? We want to see your shop. Show everybody around. Daddy just got through showing everybody their outdoor kitchen. So show everybody what you have. Remember what it used to look like before. I think he has it all together now.
This was an 8-foot piece of plywood with 8-foot 2x4s. And 4x4s for the legs. But I trimmed it down on that end so that I could put 2 feet wide worth of plywood on this side for my cover table. This by itself is, I want to say, like 7.5 feet width. This has on about 10 foot, and this is like 12 foot. I should never have to cut any board longer than 12 foot. Kind of cool. This is the main toolbox. You see me on a job site, this is all we carry. Got my power strip, fan, lights installed.
You have your, huh?
I got my compressor down there for my shutters. Table saw, top saw, table saw. And as soon as I get this plugged in, I got all my drills and batteries and chargers and hammers, miscellaneous screws and stuff like that. And that's about it. Pretty easy. I'd say all these tables were made probably under $150. So, not that much. All on your own. Yeah, all on my own. I didn't have any help. Mom helped clean.
Yeah. Hey, I did hold a plywood while you washed it.
Yeah. You know,
yeah, so if, do y'all remember what size this is? What size the shop is in Dirksen? 10 by 20? I mean, we have the whole other side over there. Randy has his fishing stuff and his little tool stuff section over there. So, yeah, it's a pretty good building. You got the floors and stuff like that. So, yeah, so if y'all ever have a shed, you want to get from Dirksen and turn it into a shop, it's a pretty good way to do it.
I had these a lot higher. I don't know if you ever had this table over there.
I don't remember.
Well, I had it at, I want to say 44. So if anybody's building the table, I think the perfect height is like 38. But then you got to put your topper on. So then it's like right at your hip. You're not.
Well, it depends on how tall you are.
Yeah, I would say just go right at anywhere between 36 and 38 inches tall.
Regardless of how tall it should be right at your hip. Right?
Yeah. With any higher, you're going to have trouble reaching the table and stuff like that.
So yeah, everything's organized and ready to work. So
Start building.
you have shutters or barn doors or stovetop covers or baby and pet gates. We are the one.
A week ago, you wouldn't recognize this. We had boxes stacked up to the ceiling.
Yeah, there's still some boxes up there.
Basically a storage shed.
Yeah, it was a storage shed for sure.
Now it's a workshop.
Now it's a building turned into make money.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of spending money. Yeah. So okay. That's what we've been doing today. So
Oh yeah, and then always want to get yourself a fan. This one's meant to be mounted on the floor. Well, not even mounted, it just sits on the floor. But I just pre-drilled some holes in the tubing and then shot the screws up there. Especially on long hot summer days.
Which hopefully we're done with.
I'm doing pretty handy.
can you still hear us? Yeah. So I'm anxious to see how it's all gonna work and stuff. I think it's gonna be great.
He's a natural born carpenter. I never would have thought it. I didn't teach him hardly anything. Maybe the basics. He picked it up on his own, figured it out on his own, and now makes a living on it.
Yeah, so I know y'all have seen his work. The barn doors, baby pet gates, and the shutters. So yeah, it's a working 10 acres. Tristan's grandfather does it and he does it and yeah. Okay, so thank y'all. Like if you need any of that, just give me a text or a call. Thanks, bye.